Hello, in this week's video we're looking at how to create a quiz in Google Forms. So in the previous video I looked at how to create a form, and this video we're going to look at how to create a quiz. So you can access your forms in Office 365 by clicking on the 9 boxes that usually appear in the top left, and then that brings up this and choosing forms, and that brings up this. You can look at your forms, you can look at the forms shared with you and recent group forms. So we're going to jump in and create a new quiz. I'm going to start off by adding a title, and you can put in a description. You can also, if you wish, add an image as well, but we're going to focus just on adding the questions. So we've got a choice question, a text, a rating, a date, a ranking, and a Likert, just like with the form function. So we can do choice. So you put in your question, and again you could add an image if you wish, and you've got options, suggested options, so you could add the suggested options, which is quite nice, and you can delete any ones you think maybe are a bit too easy. So there we are, black, white, yellow and orange. We can then, if we roll on to an answer, we can give feedback, and we can also choose as the correct answer. So in the UK the number plate colour is white, so we can tick that as a correct answer, and we can provide them with a message to confirm that they've got the right answer. You can also put in a response for any people who get the wrong. So it's nice and easy doing that, and we can add that to all of the wrong answers just by pasting in. You can add points if you wish. You can add multiple answers, and you can also make sure that it's a required question. That means that all students must answer it. And you can add a subtitle if you want, and you can shuffle the options. So let's move on to add a different question type. So this time we're going to add a rating question. We can add a subtitle, and we can choose points, and we can add another question. So the final one we'll add is a ranking list. So and if you want to add another option, you can. Okay, so we've got a number of different questions added there. Again, we've made sure they're all required. We can preview the quiz so we can see what it's going to look like. we can alter the theme, so we can add an image of our own, or we can choose one of the solid colours or one of the images provided. So we'll go with the space theme, and then we go to share. You can choose from this drop down whether it's only people in your organisation, that means they'll have to sign in, or for students I generally prefer anyone with a link can respond. You then copy the link, you can download a QR code, choose an embed code, or you can email it. So we've copied the link. Now if you're not going to ask them to automatically sign in, then it's always worth just adding a text-based question at the start that has their name. And making that a required question. So now if we open up a new tab and we paste in our link that we've copied, this is how the recipient will see the form. So we can put the red asterisk highlights that they need to respond. They choose number of stars, and then they can choose and hit submit. So what you have to do is just move them around and then hit submit. It then marks the questions as according to the correct answer, so you can see it's giving them feedback. It's saying that actually white was the correct answer. It shows the rating, and it also shows which was the correct answer. So the order should have been those. So you can see immediately, the students can see what feedback they've got. You as the teacher can view your responses in a quick summary. And it's quite nice because it's anonymized there, so you can't see the name. You can ask it to look, but you can just see it as a summary. So it's great to be able to bring up at the start of a class. Maybe use it as a Connect activity, but you can also open it as a spreadsheet and see each of the answers in a separate line via an Excel spreadsheet. So there you have it, a quick guide to using the quizzes feature in Microsoft Forms. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please share it, and remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for another EdTech video. Thanks for watching.